What is instant execution in Forex? Here in the screen you can see on the right side, this is the chart with the gold against US dollar on a 1 minute time frame, and on the left side you have an article I have written on my blog, what is instant execution in Forex. Now, the instant execution in trading is one type of orders that you will experience when trading with several brokers. Some of the brokers are better, some of them are less better, and some of them are very bad. But the instant execution is the way how do you open order on the market. Let's see. Click the button for new order. If you are using any other trading platform, click the button you need to click. But for the MT4 and MT 5 you will have a new order button, or press F9 as a quick button. In this small window on the left side you have a tick chart which shows you what is the current market price. On the right side you have two buttons, sell by market and buy market. And you can see there is a below attention message. The trade will be executed at market conditions. Difference with requested price may be significant. Now, this is one of the way how the broker protects him from opening order at a different price that is different from the current what you can see here inside this window. Instant execution represents a way how to open order at the price you currently see on the market, on the chart. Currently it is 2329.20. When I click the sell, it should open at this market price. Instant execution represents also a very quick opening an order with the current price. So if you are using trading with a scalping technique, which means you open very fast and very high amount of trades at the price that you currently see on the chart. This way you need a broker and also trading platform that opens a trade very quickly without delaying the opening and also changing the price that you currently have on the market. If you are trading, for example, 1 minute time frame, you can see on a gold how the price changes very quickly. So if you are using instant execution, this way, when you click the button sell or buy, it should open immediately without changing the price. So for example, let's make a test. For the instant execution, when I click sell or buy by market, it should open at the same price that we currently see. So let's see what is the current market price. I will be very quick because also the price is changing. So I will try to click the button on the price that I'm currently and I'm saying. For example, I will click the sell by market button. So current market price is, let's say, 22. Let's see it. You can see here the price has opened at 2330.22, the same as I have seen on the small window where you open a new order. So this is the instant execution. There is no delay and also there is no change in the price compared to the price I have seen on the chart and also on the small window on the market. On the left side, you can see also the explanation what is the instant execution in Forex. It is an order type where you open a sell or buy currency at the ask or bid price. It means when you press the button on the mouse, your order will open at the price you see. Something that can happen on other type of orders is that your orders ends open with another price compared to the one you wanted. This problem can happen on other types. That means if I have pressed the button and I have seen 22, but when I click the button, my broker doesn't open the price at that price, but it waits slightly and then opens at another price. And that is something that is happening on some brokers which are not very good because the delay in their trading server is not very good. So you need to find a broker that doesn't have this kind of issues. Some of the problems that can appear in the instant execution, and that is a requote. A requote message is a message the broker sends you if he cannot fulfill your request. So that means when you have a new order and you can see the price written here, when you click the sell by market, you get a message, and that message looks like this. Let me show you a little bit larger. This is the one. When you click the button, you get a requote message. Your order cannot be filled with the requested price. So this is an issue that the broker server is very slow, or maybe it is too crowded because too many traders send a message at the same time at the same price, so he cannot fulfill all orders, so he sends you a requote. This is one of the issues with instant execution order and also with a bad broker. So if you are experiencing such issues, it is time to change the broker, because there are many brokers with today servers that are very quick and also very fast, and also they can handle lots of requests from the traders. Now, there are some benefits of his instant execution in Forex, and that is a quickly open at the market price, which you can see currently on the chart. And also if you are scalper, this helps a lot, because if you have a trading robot that can trade for you, he opens the trade in milliseconds, not seconds. So this is a very important thing. Then some of the disadvantages of instant execution in Forex is that many requests will block your trading with your trading strategy. And that means if you have requotes 5 to 10 times on 20 requests from you, this could also be a problem that you would lose 50% of profit, because if the trade doesn't open and then opens maybe later on, or even it doesn't open because the broker sends you all the time the requote, then this is also a very bad experience with trader, and also you will lose the money instead of making them. My personal experience was that I was frustrated because of why I cannot enter the trade when I would make money, and that time was when it was highly volatile because of the news was published. When you are trading also the news, sometimes the price can jump very fast and also be jumping between two prices, which is very far from each other. So this is something that can happen, and also many traders experience that problem, but some of them are managing to solve all requests from the traders, so they open the trade easily. Now I will close this order. Here is a conclusion for you. Instant execution has its own advantages. I would not use that kind of execution in my trading, or I would minimize the amount of trades opened with instant execution just to avoid requotes. So one of the biggest issue with instant execution is the requote. If there were no requotes, this would be a very good, because if you click the button to open a new order and it opens at the current market price that you can see, there is nothing better than that. But there is also another type of the order type on the market, which is called market execution in Forex. So if you would like to check that, I will make another video, check it in the playlist for you if you would like to see what is that kind of the order type. So for now, for the instant execution, that is all. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and ask any questions. I will try to make a new video with an answer, or simply type the answer on your question. So for the instant execution, that is all for this video, and see you next time, and happy trading.